Hello guys, long time no see. So I have recently had a breakthrough. You would have heard all about it if you are following on the Patreon. And since I've started my channel, I've noticed there have been a couple of instances where I've really felt like I grasped the cheat codes to being on a skin journey. When I really just get it and it's like, why isn't anyone else talking about this? The first time would have been with the rectal syringe. The rectal syringe with glutathione, using reduced glutathione, was a game changer. That changed everything for me. It was so much more cheaper. I could actually do it for 6 months on end with one big bulk bag of glutathione. A lot of people have said that they even got more quicker and just more results from doing that than they did when they were doing the IV. That was kind of huge for me. I think the next game changer on my channel would have been MSM, and taking it for the couple of years that I took it and figuring out just how and what it does to your body. Now, I don't feel like MSM gave me a huge boost in lightness. For myself, I would never just take MSM by itself. I would always make sure I also took glutathione. But MSM definitely I had a breakthrough with hair growth off of MSM. It definitely makes your hair grow longer and faster. And now we have this. This is my third breakthrough that is just really, to me, it's if I had to get rid of all of my supplements, the top three I would keep would be glutathione, liposomal vitamin C, because you need both of those, and then this. Those are the three that I would keep. And yeah, for months you'll literally still get amazing results off of these three. And so what I found, and I've actually made a video on this before, but this was with a different type. So protein powder, there's the most popular is protein concentrate, but there's also something called protein isolate. And so protein isolate basically is for people, well, it's not just for people who have lactose problems or get breakouts, but basically what it does is it filters out the lactose and the fat. So protein isolate is something that everyone can use. Whether you're going to the gym or not, you could take this in a protein shake every day. One of the ones I'm going to be talking about a lot on my channel because it's freaking amazing. This is the breakthrough, is going to be this brand in particular. When I find another brand that has all of the amino acids like this one does, then I'll start to talk about that too. But as of right now, this is the one that I found. This one is so important because it has everything like cysteine, glycine, glutamine. It has all of the building blocks of glutathione in it as well. So if you need your precursors, literally you could stop buying everything else, all of the other supplements other than glutathione. You still need to buy glutathione, but literally this has those in here too. And it's so funny because if you look on the back of this, it makes you go to their website to see the full amino acid breakdown. So on here, what it does is it tells you that it has 40% of essential amino acids. It tells you the 2:1:1 ratio of BCAAs, and it's a lot of kind of scientific jargon for people who, if you are not in the workout or gym community, you're probably gonna have no idea what this is. And so if you go to their website, it'll show you the list of all of the amino acids, which my channel, that's all we talk about is amino acids. So of course to us, we will know exactly what each one is. And so yeah, it has glycine, glutamine, cysteine, everything you need and more to build more glutathione in your blood. Now, I've made other videos talking about how the first year when I figured out that rectal glutathione is basically a game changer for just getting lighter quickly, I was also taking daily protein shakes, sometimes twice a day. And so these shakes, not everyone can take them because number one, if you're not trying to put on some weight, this might not be for you, because the whey concentrate, it will have more fat in it. It's gonna have lactose in it. So if you're one of those people who, if you eat cheese, you break out, you might have some breakouts if you get on this protein. But it's it's a trade-off. It's kind of when you start MSM, there might be some bad things that happen at first, but if you stick with it, over time it goes away. And so now this protein, it is for people like who are either lactose intolerant or people who get breakouts from lactose. Also, it can be for people who are not trying to put on weight. Like you could just, this isn't a meal replacement. You would still eat your regular meal and take this and still get that entire profile. This also has a protein in it that not only stimulates glutathione, but then you also have the other amino acids that are the precursors that will start to build it. Once they start basically building up in your body, you know, your body puts them to good use in making glutathione. So there is just a lot going on. So I'm gonna be talking a lot about this brand because it does have all of these amino acids. Like I said, not every brand has all of the ones that we want. On Patreon, I go way more into detail on this, and I will talk about who perhaps should not use it and or which ones you should use and why. But just letting you guys know that this is just a huge boost in glutathione. If you need something, if you feel like you've plateaued, like you're not really seeing results, this is something that definitely will boost up. If you want to boost this even more, I highly suggest getting some type of cardio or just getting something where you're sweating. So either going to a sauna and sweating, or I don't know, putting on like a sweatsuit and jump roping. That'll also help glutathione circulate into your skin better. I really don't understand the science between, or the science behind why that happens, but it's just a thing that I noticed. Like it will really help, I don't know, just the glutathione get all throughout your body. I just don't know why, but you just get this like glow. It's weird. But even if you guys don't want to start working out or you don't want to do the sweating thing, whatever, just taking this will help. And like I said, if you are tight on money and you want to maybe kind of cut back on all of the other supplements you're buying, I would definitely say, you know, get your reduced glutathione in bulk. Like that's going to be the cheapest for you. You can get a bag that where at first you might have to pay $250, but it will last you for like 5 to 6 months if you're doing rectal syringes. So it'll be pretty cheap. And yeah, keep on taking your liposomal vitamin C in the pills. Usually they're like $15 to $20 for a bottle, and then add this to your routine. This, the whey protein isolate. So this is the one that's going to be easy on your stomach. Basically, it's one of the best proteins you can get in that it's already a digested form of protein. So if you've already taken a protein and you notice that you got really bloated, you had a stomach ache, that's because it was protein ice or protein concentrate. That's one of the most popular ones. But this one is one that if you're okay with paying the price of, like, it's a little bit more than regular protein concentrate, but it's worth it. It's 100% worth it. I will have links in the description box. I bought this bottle at the Vita Shop. I won't be going back there. I won't be purchasing from Vita Shop or GNC or any supplement shop like that, because they have it like marked up by like over $10. So you can find it way cheaper on Amazon, where it should be like anywhere from like $30 to $32. And that's for the 1.3 pound, so 600 grams of this. So I'll let you guys know, because I kind of have been playing with my dosage. For sure take one dosage a day at least, but I'm gonna be playing with mine, so I'll let you guys know how long like this large of a jar will last you, depending on how many scoops you're taking a day. I haven't done the math yet, so yeah, I'm hoping it's going to be much longer than 2 weeks. Hopefully it's something like closer to 3 weeks to 4, but we shall see. Yeah, in the next video maybe I'll talk a little bit about more of the benefits. But yeah, if you guys are a part of my Patreon, I already go through why this by itself makes your hair fall out less, so you have less hair shedding, why it grows stronger, longer, how this helps with mood swings, and if you have like depressing or sad days, like this boosts your serotonin. We go into all of the science of all of the amino acids that are literally in this. There's a lot, and yeah, how it works completely. It'll change a lot. Like there's a noticeable difference, guys, like literally you will notice a difference. So yeah, I'm going to leave this here. My Patreon and everything will be in the description box below, but I will see you guys in my next video.